Today in this video I am going to explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Press the power key and volume down simultaneously, then select power off option. Connect your phone to the computer using a Type-C cable. Hold down the volume up and power buttons together until the Samsung logo appears. Then release all buttons to enter recovery mode. Use the volume keys to navigate and the power button to select wipe data or factory reset from the recovery mode menu. Once wipe data or factory reset is selected, navigate to factory data reset and confirm by using the power button. After the data reset is complete, select reboot system now using the power button. Understand that during this process, all your files will be removed. After the reset is finished, your phone will be restored to its original state when you first purchased it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.